Hi Mare, to my multitasking friend, on your special day, ang wish ko ay sana palagi kang busy, syempre, kailangan natin yan. At ang iyong career ay palaging maganda. At syempre ang ating friendship na right now, I think counting more than 10 years, baka going 15 years na, ay lalo pang magtagal. Kasama na syempre ng ating mga chikiting na lumaki sila all together and will always be friends.
Just want to say thank you for the gift of friendship and for being an inspiration to us. And I wish you more blessings and good health and happiness. Stay joyful. Nakakahawa yung ngiti mo. I love you.
Yung birthday wish ko lang sa'yo is I hope you will still have that energy and vast reserves of enthusiasm and inspiration for everyone that you meet along the way. I wish you more success and hopefully magkita tayo very soon.
Hi Mamu, happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo magkaroon pa kayo ng maraming babies. Happy birthday!
So Tin, to our kumare, Mars, mompreneur, our inspiration. Nag-iisa ka, pero to us, you are the one and only Miss Eternal Sunshine.
Happy birthday!